To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Did you ever stop to notice I like green and you like blue? Like the strolls in the walk with you. Even though we're together, we're totally different persons. I'm walking away from things we always do. Now we need a change for us, that's true. You stand up for me, I'll stand up for you, so we can find a way to make it through. Boy, so many things I wanna do, so many things I wanna share, so many things I'm feeling, but you're turning me away. You captured more the first time I saw you. It's all gone. I'm walking away from things we always do. Now we need a change for us, that's true. You stand up for me, I'll stand up for you, so we can find a way to make it through. I'm sorry I've searched your phone so many times, told you so many lies, calling names that made me cry. So now, baby, I can't see I'm for you and you're for me.
Evening.
What's your food?
Still another year and how are you?
You don't remember me?
No remember you.
Girl, you don't remember America?
Oh, watch ya. Girl, I told me there and I'm stressed and problem, you know. Me just a pick you up, what go on?
Girl, I can't believe you. So how me remember you?
Yo, let me tell you something, you know. See, sometimes stress up on the brain, you forget things. You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Because, see there, I wanna reach right, that's so, you know, me turn around, you know. And me as a girl, if something a come, me spot them right away. So I try to show man. So I pray, you know, say I she me sit down and wait for no long, yeah, so they'll come like me, I want to sleep.
So you know what you gone?
No, sir.
You know, say she me come to because guess what? I want somewhere to stay for few days. Because right now, me and my father are on good terms. Yeah. So how long you think she gonna take to come back?
I don't know, you know. But the writer so half an hour now. It look like it'll lead up to 1 hour. I don't know.
I mean, I know where it's going on. So talk to me.
So what on day? You don't know where to go.
No.
So what about your boyfriend or something? Not a boyfriend.
To tell the truth, right now me and my boyfriend are on good terms. By the way, when you are doing so you can ask me.
You see it? And them there's something me I talk boy now. You see, relationship is not my thing. Relationship is not my thing. Because you see them look dirty man, yeah? They feel like so they can tell you what to do, how to dress, how to eat.
Where to go?
Okay, good. Because right now, you know, me and my man have some problem, you know, from when. You understand? We have some problem because him now move right. And it look like some have to go back to the street, like me going back to the dog. You understand me I say?
I understand what you're saying.
So you see single life, perfect with me.
I don't think single life perfect. You go lonely and boring and so, that not gonna make no sense, mama.
You can't say what you want to say, you know. Because right now money is life. And money my thing there, money me are free.
Of course money is life.
Oh, I'm gonna now we not broke man. I'm bill nothing. So when me bill you up, you're gonna bill up a next girl. You must be crazy. You mad?
Boy, oh boy. Life. I'm gonna tell you for myself.
You don't know say the reason why me and a little dirty man have some problem I have to left yard. Where you get the bag there from?
My bag? Backside, girl. You know, see, last year my auntie come from friend and he carry the bag for me and me cherish it up until today. I want to make you look from bag and ask me like a stand.
Oh, no, man. You know, say, the little dirty man I'm going to pick up. You know, so the man have some money. And give one girl figure them fight. And give so the girl thief the money and gone with this it me still get so stressed out. But me say girl me put a little 2 pound other day me take it back off. Cause the money stress me out. The money has stressed me with them thief.
Hold on. Who are your man?
Pops. Why you ask me who am my man?
Oh no. Pops. So where Pops come from?
Burn Savannah.
Yeah. Ratted. Business, you know.
Girl, yeah, my man there or something or you know my man or you know if him there with somebody make you...
No, sir. I don't know your man.
Oh.
No, man.
But you said
when you say lady I come back.
I don't know, I can't tell her that. Until I say half. See there? It's soon reach 1 hour. I there right or something.
Guess
I
what?
don't know.
When you say Stacy I come back?
I'm not sure. I don't sure. Honestly.
Not sure? Alright, guess what? Tell Stacy say, me dey pass through. You hear? America. Tell me say America dey pass through.
Can't tell her if you call her too. Why? No, sir. Something alright. But she a move so. Like ginger fly bite her. Sure.
I pray.
Nothing.
I Stacy friend, not sure.
And who you? You just walk up, Sana. I pray.
I mean, I Stacy man, you know. Yeah, man, I mean him T-Dog, man.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, man. Matter of fact, how your name?
Pinky.
Pinky. Yeah, man, me always a Stacy talk boy, you know. Yeah, man. So how is Stacy gone?
Next one question. You are Stacy man?
Yeah, man, I mean a Stacy
You don't
man.
look so. Cause if you're the Stacy man, you don't know where she gone. From where she not gone. So what happened?
A matter of fact, you know. Can't see so your chin can't face it, you know.
I'm not drink, I stink and feisty.
But anyhow, where you say you were there to stay, or?
Yeah, you know see. Till whenever.
So you were there to stay. So you can stay, say you roll back again?
Listen to me. Me and Stacy tight like this. Me and Stacy used to be in the streets. Go get her. Make her money. Coming back. So what kind of questions you ask me?
Hold on, man. Hold on there. You see, Fimi Stacy. Me want if I see him Stacy where you know, I want different Stacy now, you know. Different Stacy. So you see if you go come back, if you go con people and trick people and you want to drop Fimi Stacy in the street with you, you can go on, you know, because you know, no. Me I work hard for my money, you know. If you give me money, you know, if you start a business. Hard me a work. So me know why you come here and trick her. A matter of fact, me if you get all the money, you know. So when she come, just tell her, say, me not get the whole of the money. So me I go forward back come check her.
Hey, look at that man, let me tell you something. You see, you and Stacy, business, and for me, I feel no problem that. What you hear me say? Me and Stacy used to dey in the street. And that I hear me say? Used to. So no come face to yourself, yeah, so. But carry woman and go drive, and go do this and that. Now bright yourself with me. You hear me, I tell you? Can you look like say I have a next girl out there where I give a problem if you want to come take you out for me. Listen to me now. You know who me really be? You know me? You only know say my name Pinky, you only see me face. But you don't know me. Now bright yourself with me like that again.
Something Pinky. Stacy not tell us saying change. So you come now for changing back again.
Me blind for say change.
To bring him
no,
back
me
in
blind.
straight.
Me blind for say Stacy not change. You look like me blind. Hey, let me tell you something, you know. You see, if Stacy wants to go back in the streets, you can't stop that. But just know, say, me not come here so to bring Stacy in the streets with me, here. You hear that? So anything where you the chat about right now don't make no sense to me. I come here so to free out my mind and to know which other move to make. So now come here so come bright yourself with me again. You see when I see me, no, you see when I see me big man, approach me good. Can I look like say, your woman never tell about me. Your woman never tell about me. Listen to me. If you know what good for you, remove yourself from my sight.
Let me tell you
Remove
something.
yourself.
Let me say
Remove
something.
yourself.
I'm going to listen to me as I go. I don't have no problem for you come here and stay with Stacy. But you see, if you go come here and come get problem, I want Jackie back in the street, you can't stay here. Because my Stacy, I want different Stacy.
Listen to me, you know. But a woman have options, you know. As one gone, one born. So if the man put me out, the next one they put me up. If the one again put me out, the next one they put me up.
I kind of figure out what I go on, you know. Yeah. Anyway, the wind blow, I dust of the fallen drift. And right now, I can see, sir, right now, you all look so much of a scam and you come like, you know, work out the road. That's why you're there, so. That's why the breeze blow you, so. But one more thing, you not go there for long. A matter of fact, me call Stacy. Big up yourself.
Come like you never hear about me. Now come and fall. Drunk up.
Hello. How am?
Stacy. How are you there? How are you there, Stacy?
How you going to say I know when me there? Me not tell them me there already. Me not tell them say me there down a shop.
Me run your yard, you know, Stacy. Yeah, man, yeah, me run your yard, man. Me have all the money. Yeah, me have the money, man. The money when me say me I go give you. But, you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear me I say no, Stacy? As me say me run your yard, a girl I run your yard and something. Like, me don't know if what me you talk about, you know, or like you look at business or more line up for you and something like. If you're serious about the business, you know, cause your friend run you, you know.
What you say? Nobody can influence my brother.
Pinky, I mean, know say Pinky used to do road and the way Pinky attack like a road and him come to do again. I mean, not really dope on that, you know, cause here we go on and now, no. If me and you come to an agreement when me tell you say, yo, you have to do something and you say you go do it. By any idea, me can't force you to do it if you don't want to do it, you know. But me just want you to get the understanding when me you dope on. You get what me I say?
What Pinky do?
Cause she attack say you used to do road.
Mm-hmm.
And me can't stop her from the road if you want to do road. Me not like them. Me not like them thing the Pinky. Me not like them thing the Pinky I say, bro, man. Me have the money.
So the money you really are going about, after you tell me say you give me the money, you come and argue with me like say you don't want to give me the money willingly. If you don't give me the money, you give me the money for run the business, brother. And stop going like say you want
come use style for me. Like say you don't want to give me the money. Like say you think you use no craft as a bad man.
Alright. Make sure you call me, when you come, When as a step in the house, call me. No say nothing to she. As a step, just call me. Alright. Yeah, love it. Yeah, man, love it too. Yeah. Alright.
Stacy.
Girl! You call me a girl. Jesus. Wagwan, girl, come out of the rain. Rain fall. Come here. So, girl, how you pop back they go?
That of one different day.
No, girl. So, where you come from? Where you go? What?
Girl, up in your yard, me I come from.
Where you go for me? I go do what happened?
You know, say you me come for stay for some
Me?
days. Yeah.
Oh, you come for say me?
Yeah, but me go up there and see one girl up there, so
Oh, Pinky.
yeah, Pink.
Girl, you always can't stay in my yard. You're a family girl. What you mean by you did that look for me? Girl, you always welcome when I come to you. Girl,
You sure?
you can't worry about Pinky. No, girl. She alright.
I know that she stay.
Even if I didn't, she stay. You, for me, say you have to come there. You have to come there. I don't know. Nobody run my show and me run it. Anybody feel like they run it, they don't run it. Let me say I go there.
Alright.
Okay.
Course, girl, alright.
Yeah.
So, you ready?
Yeah, I'm
I
ready.
need to come off the road. I'm not supposed to have the bag still and still.
Come. Come, girl. Come here, Lee.
Me have to tell you something before we go in my house.
What on?
I'm not ready for going to say it because I'm not trust the girl.
I'm thinking.
Yeah. You know my father already. You know I mean and sitting.
So, from where they open shop, they come and you say, you come round my yard, you make me feel. Alright. You don't say you make me afraid no car from open the shop where they come now. Why not a bag? What happened to you? What? Me a listen.
Nobody know I'm coming on song.
No, girl, nobody can come in my yard.
Alright. Me not like that.
Alright.
Girl, you know say you're the only person I can trust. That's why I'm
Girl,
coming for your
100.
yard.
Then almost.
Alright.
Me alone, you can't trust.
You know, say my father never used to treat me good from
You know, say him.
and he don't want to send me to college.
Yeah.
And he
have money and he don't want to send you.
you know, say so that that's why he tap me mouth. Because he mean.
You afraid to angle him?
Me?
Yeah.
And you know what the Bible said? Children obey your parents.
Sometimes the Bible not even right too, but anyways, come.
The Bible always right.
Come, let me see the
I'll
Bible.
show you something. But relax. Yeah? I want a man come up a yard. You come like an impatient to see why I'm about.
Daddy, we see you there. I hear there. Me don't must know what.
Yo. Alright. You see?
Are we having the firearm?
You forgot to me a college girl?
Oh, right. Me name. That not take college. Not take so much money. Me only get hot. Come make we go bank somewhere. You put on some big college. Make put in a me film name do you know?
Huh?
Girl, put in a me name.
You go put in your name, come here, idiot. Yo.
So that's why you're afraid of Pinky?
You don't understand. You will understand one day, but you don't understand today.
And that I did say with the money you pay shop and see me understand today.
As somebody come my shop, come give my father money fee.
Let me see again. Let me see again.
No man.
You real? Let me touch it. Put me an Indian take your back. And then, boy, you can't always steal. I don't know, because I'm only minute of the
No man, not touch it today. Tomorrow.
Let me see that.
Alright, let me ask you a question. You know her man?
If me know him,
Yes, you know her man.
No man, you know. But me hearing the talk about how in new life nice and him man came out for Valentine's Day. You know them husband there tell me all year about engage till me start here about marriage. And then me see him come back here.
So when come back here,
Me don't know when he come back here for and he all along that boss boy man. Me don't know it look like him man disappear. So them both they say sure have
anyway,
this year.
for some reason, we feel like I man want this. Yes. I feel like I indie come up from my father's shop, be black factory. A black factory, a black machine, something like that. I'm taking money around there.
You're a right place around come. Cause
But me not trust her.
me don't trust me either.
You know just me like you.
Cause they no most. Me have to go come out today. Put him on.
You put him
Y'all
on.
give me money.
Me will give you some of my money, man.
Remember say no live nowhere now.
How I go on
Remember say no live nowhere. Come here to swear. Me no run jokes.
God knows I'm going to give you.
God no.
Mr. God knows I'm going to give you. You know,
Say
say correct.
Stacy, me have a give money Stacy. Looking at me eye.
Stacy. And then I'm for look. Stacy.
Looking at me eye and tell me say they give me money. I have to swear.
Stacy. God knows I'm going to give you money.
College alone can't get that the money there. Education no so expensive. Education come naturally, even though you need the teaching. Me don't tell you, you know, so me don't know about you, but me have to go to girl.
Get out of girl.
Come, shoot, not even make easy string. If you
No,
ask
me
her
want to realize the man.
you dey breathe. See, stop the day.
So me just a breathe and me come here today and me never did a breathe.
Me no know, find something tell him. But on a bag. I don't know your money.
Alright.
Where money more? Come, follow me. You can't fight.
Come on, you chat too much.
How are you there so long, girl?
No, say upon the road, me go over there with something. Sit down now. And drop me door, because me have some neighbor, them just, what's this so? You know, say, bad to bad, me come to talk to you about sitting car. One thing good on me, have to deal with it. So, she a go stay here, and, you know, she have no figure you can go and so I know.
What you say?
Me say, she a go stay here, and if you have nowhere to go, you go from no.
Hello, you can't name me, no.
Me no want
I be a bone upon me, you can't name me, no
But me
fish
no
upon
want
me.
you.
Can you come and go talk about if you have nowhere to go, you go on from now. You not have to tell
But
me
this
third
way
time.
over is mine. The roof over here is mine. The last time I check.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make it free now.
Yes, you have to go look somewhere go.
Make it free now.
So why you still sit on?
Make it free now.
Yeah. No, stop. Girl, so I make you still sit down.
I was with you.
Am I laughing? If more laughing, I laugh.
So I make a she talk to and me talk to you.
Alright, listen up. Go left your place.
Then you know, must have to
And
like.
this is one that this I get. Me even not go kill up myself.
But you can't kill up yourself over
I'm my
that,
place
girl.
today. But just remember say, me and your friend for a long time.
But I'm a
And
cousin.
if I saw you
Blood
deal with
thicker
me,
than water.
I say you feel, so you go same way.
Say, she am a
Me ask you if
cousin.
I saw you feel, so you go
Girl, I
same
know
way.
what me feel. I want me know.
You said it better than this.
What make you still sit down and me I tell us if you go on?
Go move, man. Go on with me and go. It's alright.
Yeah, then I don't have to go on where you go. Take up your one bag. You're not even have clothes.
It's alright.
What she do? Go on, come out. Where? Then in a lock. You can come back in there. Yes, I this me ready for the morning.
Oh, so because I'm
No,
money.
girl, I'm mad. Me and your cousin. How me feel make because of money? Me have my cousin at my
Because,
yard.
oh, me see you do your best friend.
Not a best friend, blood thicker
yeah.
than water. Me know my best friend do behind my back.
Well,
When
that's
you pardon my cousin will pardon me. No friend not pardon nobody nowadays.
True.
Yes,
But, where say?
where say what you mean?
You know, so you kind of too Gigi.
No,
Mine no make me no bother trust you again, you know.
I know too Gigi. You talk about college and I talk about this and I talk about that. So me dey defend mine just like how you dey defend college.
But you know, say I $20,000 I give you.
What that's much money?
Then how much you want?
Well, alright, I appreciate it. 20, alright.
If you say thank God, the lucky say I need $10,000, me say me I give. But guess what? I be $100, you know.
I could have $20, no money.
Alright. Tomorrow me give.
Everybody just a put me off, so you say if tomorrow come and you give me know what time it is.
You know, so you want to look at that.
Me
You
never
stop
say
it, you know.
Me never say nothing. Me only say I know what time it is. Then I don't know what time it is with you.
Not because
See,
you
you
have a
have
house,
fun,
you
you
know.
have comfortable bed, you do anything you want.
So we had to rent me house.
No, I'm going to my cousin house. Before me didn't know say I have the money. I would up at the shop when you see me and you run come to me. Me did tell you say me I rent the house. Me didn't know say I have money me take in willingly.
Well, that's true.
Okay, but me say yeah, my friend. Now go agree so me get rid of
Like
she.
friend.
Friend don't like you either.
You see you?
What me do? Me just a be honest.
Alright then. No, stop that, man. Stop it.
Say now me touch you.
Alright, come feel it one
Suppose
time.
I fraud on there. Me feel it take tried.
One time. Hey, you. Take time.
Feel me?
Alright, nobody grab up no more. Alright, make it time. I possess so much money, not true. No bad.
I don't want to go to college. We go party. College
Huh?
college.
Do what?
You don't know your brain, right? You don't know your book.
Yes, that's why you're
You
not
go
getting no.
basic school, you go primary school, you go. I want to go back to college.
That's why you're not. That's why you're done so. Because every
I
money your
belong
mother
to
give,
the
you
streets.
ever go to
I
the road
belong
go
to
drink
you're
and smoke it. That's
my
why-
man promised me money, you don't worry about that. Let me see.
Man, we bring you astray.
If they don't bring you, then I bring me.
Listen.
I right back, yeah, you slap me.
No, me not slap you. I hide me money from you.
Heidi, you
Yeah.
not for me house. You don't say a little, I want tabernacle this. You can't hide.
Oh,
Where you
that's
sleep
it.
on it?
Oh,
I
yeah,
put you back
mean-
under your clothes like how you come.
Let me show you how me go sleep with you. Let me show you.
I should have make him
Let
beat
me show you how me
you.
go sleep with this. So,
Him, you call him back.
Yo, T-Dog. I pray bad, bro. Oh, God, my father, man.
Yeah, man.
I pray.
No, too much, but man, that's solid reason we there.
Anytime, man.
Alright, here what going on, bro. Me know say it's a while now I'm gonna link you because I try to, you know what I mean, set certain things straight and wait to gotta invest some business, bro. And try to settle down and so you realize you're not see me at club again?
You know, so me realize say me not see you. A matter of fact, me never to pray that because you're my brother, you know, man.
School of man.
Different mother, but neither hospital, neither know.
And
The
through
levels are,
connection.
you know what I mean? But anyway, me not see you. Yeah, why problem? What go on?
Alright, so I link my brother and my boy one piece of food and bro, I tell you, say me I try to get one like a black machine. You know them black machine will build blacks and something, we can build house and something. You know one?
Oh,
Black
yeah,
them.
we Billy Black them or something.
Yeah, so me I try circle and so me I left the street and all that vibe where, you know, me I look at woman
No, hold
to
on there.
circle, you
You
know.
left off our street.
Yeah, man.
That me and talk about, you know.
But
Carry
you might,
on.
But you might have to take back your respect because really and truly everything go down in a section where you know pleasant. Give one girl the money for give the man to buy the black machine. Girl run off for the money. No, me no other woman in my yard. I mean I reason with certain way. And things that the woman have me back certain way. I'm going to tell the woman what I want. You know woman do? Eh?
But hold on, man. Hold on. You give one girl the money.
To give the person, which is our father,
We forget the machine.
to call it the machine. Because
And the girl run off for the
the
money.
girl run off for the money. Me check the man the next day and the man said to me, say, boy, I think go for the girl and deal with business with she because obviously she and me are the business. And the man a laugh and he don't know how me be, you know. Like, you know, understand where me I come from and the kind of mentality and the street vibes of
But
me
hold on.
have.
He don't know you.
No, you don't
He
know
don't
me,
know,
bro.
so I change your look
Brother.
dirty style.
Bro, I tell you, I try to keep it cool and I try to hold it mellow, but you see it, what is for you is for you. You know what I mean? Whatever you for there, I say you for there.
But even the girl run off for the money, he even know about you, he know hear
Bro.
about you.
I give her, I trust her. I first time ever trust somebody in such a way.
But my father, no disrespect, but you don't really trust people.
And that me I tell you, bro. So for me, if you lay down certain, principles that me have, and if you do that, and she do that to me, that show me say the streets is all mine.
You know, so no soft, you soft. I just feel like you change from yes and change to yes. And yes, where you change to a business you deal with. But remember, say when you do business in my father, you see yes where you change from, you have to carry yourself with
so.
you.
Bro, tell you right
So
now.
a matter of fact, what you plan for do right now? Because it come like the girl run off with your money, and it come like, what you tell me say now, your woman now with you.
Gone. Woman, run off.
Run off and gone.
Gone. But what me I say is this. Me don't know if you understand, say, the reason I call you off because I want to get back on the business that we used to deal with and so forth.
No,
You know
hold
what I
on
mean?
there. Hold on there. A long time I never clean my ears, you know. Me hear what you say, but what you say?
Me I say, I want to get back on track with what we used to deal with back in the days. Because me realize, say, I remember, them always say, the reason why the streets have a sidewalk, because the streets is not for everybody. But for me, I can tell you, so I try the sidewalk and it's not for me. The streets is for me.
Me you make it through the street, not true?
Yeah.
The amount of running that we used to deal with, the stepping.
Yeah. Yeah, that's me I talk about, bro. So
and we realize that the street no love nobody, and you tell me say you want to go back in the street.
Yeah, because check out what I'm calling, because I don't know anything about business money.
Yeah, hello. No, you know, sir, right now I kind of deal with some important business now with one of my brethren. You see me? Yeah, man. All right. A matter of fact, me link you back. I kind of deal with something very important right now. You see me? Yeah, me daddy. All right. This important more.
Respect, man. I highly appreciate it. So me I tell you, bro, what I want to do now is just get back in the zone. I mean, no, say you're the man, because you run certain. Yeah, all right. And you run the West. Nobody can talk about T-Dog and feel like they can talk too loud and same thing.
Take time talk, man. Father, man, you hear what I say, you know? Me and you been through hell. Right now, the church are pray and people are fast. You really want to wake up that and go back in the street, you know?
Yeah, but obviously, this is more than a sign.
But a problem.
Brother, the woman who me want to secure, and my brother laugh at me. My brother take me for a joker. The man laugh till him belly hot him. I mean, I tell the man, say, yo, what you do? Yeah, listen to me, I say. And the man don't respect the levels of conversation me have for him, and I tell, yo, my brother come up. My brother come up in a one way, at mommy money in teeth, Mommy money man teeth, and start out for him business, the man sitting. While me I suffer. And me will end up, I saw me get for link you, and I saw you say to me, say, do so. And me do so, and me stand up. And then I said to myself, so, you know what? Me meet a girl there, and she talk certain things. Brother, I want to do that, I'm not trust mouth,
Your brother know who you is, your brother know about your past?
Not really.
You what me I say? Me a bridging to you and you are bridging to me. Me feel like me if help you in anything where you want me to help you. But if me I go help you right now, by any idea, the amount of people who are going to sleep good, the amount of people who are going to ball.
Nah, man, we don't like everybody ball. Everybody not really. We do it.
You know what me feel like?
Clean and fine.
You know what me feel like?
Yes, sir.
Me change, you know.
Give me a change. Change for what? Change your clothes.
Me change my clothes. What me mean? The street, me change.
T-Dog, don't tell me that, T-Dog. You can't tell me that. So what go on now?
Me just feel like if you get a different woman.
Bro.
And me feel like if you get a different woman. Although me know you're not a Christian, but me feel like if you go find church. Because maybe Father God will show you a sign. That's how me feel like.
You want to tell me now, right now, it's a cigarette man bun because right now, man bun off all like thoughts what you tell me right now. Bro, what you do to me, man? Are you the last person I think when you tell me them something, you know? You see, when you go to a woman and you give her everything, the more you tell a woman, say, you want to do this or you want to do that, I more than use that against you and hold you a certain way.
So you want to tell me,
youth right now, and, like, that's the part I'm not thinking about. We get a youth, settle down and do certain things. You understand me? I say, picket fence. Because the house, long more build that place, That place, that zinc post, long more start it out. And me get the girl and I say, boy, me go just deal with the black factory over there, so I go put it. Look how I show them. I show you the place. Over there, so I put it. See? And the girl now take my money and so what did I tell me say? Over here, son, for me. This or that spot there for remain, or if you stay. And if you just touch back the street and just find a way if you even go to Mexico. You must have a link to Mexico, bro.
Me have a link for Mexico, but
So what you
by
say?
the point where me I try to show you, me not follow up on the link. Yo, it come like you not realize. You know, sister, all the way you go to your father gotta show you a sign.
What kind of sign?
This sign is you never have to deal with a girl. You don't learn nothing all the way you go through.
So if he said just she.
She are the problem, and the girl where you go trust are the problem.
Alright,
So you have to create a next way, and this is another way for me put you on the link. For you go dig up back your past again, brother.
Alright, so what you say to me?
Right now, me I tell you, just listen what me I say. Sometimes Father God send me a sign, I show you one, and the one in the way I show you. Go to church, go find a different girl. You know understand what me I say?
Yo. Right now I say, them a tell me something if you forward it and you know like me can't respond to that message right now. Cause I must say link T-Dog first and tell me what T-Dog says. See there? That they must say to me. Link T-Dog and is it? You know T-Dog I tell me something different. Don't tell the dog them so now. Rough.
You what me I say, man? You what me I say?
What you say?
You need some time by yourself. But watch out now. You say as a friend, you know what me I go do? You see this right now? Me never want to talk you. But me I go think about it as a real friend. And then me link you back or you link me back. What you say?
Wow. Listen. Wow.
Walk.
Yeah.
Big up yourself,
Here?
yeah?
Get up.
Yeah, man.
Say you are the done cause you start pulling triggers, yeah. You say you are the one cause you start drive a beamer, yeah. You used to have a girl, now you have a gold digger. You say she are the one cause she make you come quicker, yeah. But watch out now, you're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah. Your money and your gun. You're not take no chat from nobody till you're down on your knees and you're not no sorry. You say you're not beg no friend from nobody, yeah.
Sana kula udah sana kau door. Oh, sana mi alone there. How are you? Where you come from?
I pray.
No, this is not the pray.
So I go on.
No, not going in.
You want to come check it now?
Come check before. Where you come from?
I'm concerned about you, I care about you. How there?
I'm alone there at the moment.
So what you mean? What you mean there?
So why you so concerned about who am I there?
So I must concern me, must have care about
When
you.
since I care, when since I concerned.
Oh, you mean so from a long time I care, you don't know that Pinky not there.
Pinky not there, Pinky gone.
Pinky gone?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I want good news that if Pinky gone, you know. Because from me come here and I see Pinky, me I pray say Pinky maybe want to jog back in the street and them thing there.
Me know Pinky from the street and Pinky know me from the street. Nobody can jog me in no street if me no want to be in the street.
Because I realize come like Pinky have some problem and try to cancel money in the street and then I work out and come link you.
Make sure say I know you.
Hmm?
Make sure say I know you.
No say that.
Me say something you don't understand?
No say that.
Just make sure say I know you.
I must say I'm clocking up. Anytime I want to know the time I you come. So right now I'm at half up. That's that. I'm kind of glad say Pinky gone.
Yeah, she gone.
Yeah, so me I feel like I'm over concerned because for Pinky there.
No come with the toxicity. No come with the toxic thing.
No say that.
You're too toxic. Don't start it.
Hey, I'm at half up. Now keep what you say or what you tell me right now. You tell me say Pinky not there. I want like best news to me. There is nothing what you can say right now to piss me off. You get what me I say? I'm at half up. We feel like right now we can fix things and sort out things and see if we can make things right.
But when you have a judging problem, every minute you judge me. Me come from the street, me this, me that. People influence me. People you not believe in a change. Me change, brother. Me change. I want.
No, sister, you change me. I want to tell you something.
You see me, I left me hard from when?
My granny always tell me, say, you see, if you have somebody and you not judge her or ask where you're there or call her and check up on you, you don't care about you. So me I try to show you I care. You care about you.
Anything you say?
Anything you say.
Mm-hmm.
One thing I like about you, you know, easy to please, you know.
No?
And one thing you like about me, me not easy to give up. A matter of fact, you're my heart.
We'll see about that.
So you say, want to start local business because I must have all the money to get now. Start local business.
Which local business? We're already intimate. So we are talk about you with the toxicity every minute that piss me off.
More intimate. You see me?
We're good, brother. We're good. We're good. Me, you're good. Stop worrying about.
You see what I want?
Where you mad?
You make me head hurt.
Me make your head hurt you?
One good sign. No?
Yes, sir.
Very good sign.
Anything else, sir?
Yeah.
So I pray now.
Well, the praise, I know, I'm glad I come link and everything alright.
Everything alright,
I
man.
kind of feel good better, you know.
Yeah. So, how are you going now?
Well, me plan to go up on the road, you know.
Oh.
And circle back.
Oh.
But you go differently, what?
No, I'm not go differently. One of the day you promise me one money. I'm in a year saying nothing about you.
You know, so you're so smart, that's why I'm rate you. You're a good school.
When it comes to money, me have to smart, brother.
But you are going now. You know the reason why I'm not
I open a girl and a girl me now.
I can't do that.
Okay.
If me if you grow on you, the clock now go work again.
Okay.
But you are now. I'm going to leave. And a matter of fact,
So where money?
money when me if you give me, want to carry. Because you know, thinking over here, I don't want to stay with business. So, I'm going to get the money to follow back.
Yeah,
Yeah?
when the future say, alright then.
No, man, everything good, man. Here?
So when me I get it tomorrow?
Maybe I'll early on that.
Yes, we are completed. Yo. Wait, last how you man? Let me say last movie. God gosh. My last time you talk about the business this time. You get to the girl in the back of the money. Alright, hear me say now. See? Me not really forward to have no great conversation. Cause last time me talk, you know, it was a vibe where me a goon with benefit of the doubt. I'm saying I call police. I'm saying to myself, I'm not calling police for you. You understand me? I say, me I give you 1 week to check for your data and give me my stuff. You understand me? I say, give me money. And my money me really want. Come on, I'm not going to join just like that. See? So you so hold on, I'm tapping the track. What so like a threat I said so. Well, call the threat if you want to call the threat, but me want my money. Which money? Number one, me know you no money, you know. I want to give you know. I know you're going to tell me give me one if you do what? When you went call her, she confirmed that she collect money on your behalf, right? On my behalf. She went confirm, yes or no, sir. Confirm on which behalf? Your behalf. And she has said rate it, and you had to tell her she has 600,000 when you know she has 400,000. You remember, sir? I remember. Remember everything straight up, so what you say? What me I say is this. You see if I get my money by Friday, see? By the weekend. Where you going to do? Where you going to do? Oh. What me I go do? That me just, I'm saying what you want to know what me I go do? Me go burn down this year, that me I go do. You ask me I say, how me talk about burn down mean say, it might take you further. How this one I talk about burn? Yo! You think I joke business? You think I joke business? The peace, you know, make the country the peace. Peace? I think I'm going to go 45 and come back. Hey, yo. So I threaten you, I threaten me now? Yeah, me I threaten you, I'm going to business there. I threaten you, I threaten me now? Alright, so I threat for threat. That's a threat for threat. Alright, threat for threat. That me I tell you. Big up yourself. See you, sir. See you on Friday. Alright, Friday. 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 Thursday. Thursday. Make sure say Friday morning, bright and early, me come pick up my money from Yasso. And that me I tell you. And if you want. Know yourself. Bambai, we are we see. Bambai. Yeah, quarter I go tell you all what this boy about right. Where? Where? Sure. Yeah, look again, look. I'll call him to you, but I'll call him right now. Can't take problem, you know. Sure. I'm the angel. Daddy miss you, no man. You know what I say? We need to talk to you about some business. Because I don't understand. I understand. I can understand and not understand. But here we go now. You see, the money we take away, more you come back and me talk about it. You understand? Because I give you understand, so I give the full education I give you. I give you Senegal College.
When you say money now is a business proportion more and give to you. So more and talk to your face to you. I don't want to talk to your phone. So go and check me. Come please buy black, you know. I'm not lock up the shop. Let's go up the okay shop, man. Let's go and check me.
Yo, Poppy!
Yo.
How on? Where are you with?
How far was that?
Hold up, man. Hey, man, that takes so long, brother. Where you stagger, so?
I
You can't stagger, brother, because right now I'm drunk. Hey, turn up, no, man, no, man, no,
How
drunk,
are you
man.
doing?
There, man, I'm sorry, no.
Think it's a back and rum I can't come. I call me and I can't rum I come beg me rum. What happen?
So, me can't make me with no brethren.
Yeah, but me think it's a back I can't
Man,
come.
come see me, brother. Long time we are
I
far.
like to see boy pop. But you not tell me what I'm going.
Wait now, man, wait now, me soon tell you what I'm going, I have to focus.
I would. After a morning, me a beat off the rum, you know.
Right now, I'm drunk. Me I tell you, say I want to run bar me I come from, but
Ain't no shout me.
church, you. You know, say me what, brother. Right now, brother. Right now, I'm drunk.
Yo, we have to go step up, do you know?
Step up.
Mm.
Step up. Oh, so we are go upstairs.
No, we have to step up and go to one different bar.
Bar. Oh. So bar come with step now where you can go upstairs.
I would, you know that. Yeah, my dad face style, you know.
So which bar you want we go next?
On a Keisha bar.
Keisha bar.
Keisha bar. Come here, you said 3 new dance come around this and I want to end out my money. A long time.
Me want to drink out my money.
A long time. I even buy one shirt myself in a rum bar. My money there.
The rum bar if you go.
Mm.
Every make $1 rum bar.
So, right now, at the half of 4 I come in this morning and pay aisle
After
me
5 me come in and you don't worry about pops. Where they worry about pops, sir?
No man, can in tap man come like in switch and now man.
Switch.
Pops are my boy, but right now I tell you say Pops switch.
Pop switch.
Pops now for the rum bar with you again and drink. Pops now go on good. You get me I say?
So why pop switch, brother, and we are drink rum, brother?
I eat me I say. Me not like that.
Pops don't know say we love rum more than anything else.
You get it?
Long time, brother. Oh man, Pop switch. I better say, you soon see him pull up. Alright, you rum and tell me say Pop soon pull up. Just watch. Pops not take long for each up for you know.
Pops now pull up yourself.
How you know that?
You see, yo, no way for making come in the yard, you know. No forward in the yard, you know, because you switch, you know.
Yo.
You're coming like a light switch, you know.
Yo, hear me I say.
I know me under my rum, you know.
Yo, hear me I say. Nobody before. Yo, what going man? Everything good?
Me there, man.
Eh?
Me there.
Everything can good on a switch. Everything good.
No, you are what? I'm not telling you before, I'm try a thing, but it don't work out.
What
What?
you try?
What do you mean? I try a different life.
Life.
Whole of one girl and thing. I wish they me pass my girl along a club and me a reason with her a certain way and she a say rope trap. Yo, he's the man, you make someone can answer me. I say.
You don't listen to him.
Why? Me think a rum bar you can't talk to me about. You say you talk to me about different something.
Boy,
I know.
step up.
Alright,
and
yo.
change.
You want a drink?
No, I'm good, man.
Take a drink.
No, I'm good for
You
right.
sure?
No, I'm good for right now.
Oh, where you get him from?
Yo, it's on hot, you know, man.
Sun hot.
I don't have a bar if you go. Go shell it down.
Then a bar.
Alright, yo, alright. More reason differently.
Reason. But rum. And bar.
You know them the thing
If
they
I
are
don't
my
rum and
topic.
bar, you come with no reason, you know.
Alright, how much me can pay if you help me bun down one shot?
But no one shop.
Yeah.
But no, you have to ask much I can't pay if you drink none more shop.
Alright.
Yeah. And that way I look both.
Alright, you may say still. I see you start me attack now, see?
Oh yeah.
The money want me invest. Supposed to invest, you know, so then thiefy.
Thiefy.
And what this man?
Yeah, man, in thiefy. So you may say what I want now. More to assist me. See? Me I shout about little more in a day and talk to me individually. See? So we can organize. We can deal with it.
Mm-hmm.
You hear me I say?
Yeah, you say like that.
No, I mean, here come.
I money where they don't buy the.
Yeah.
Then me don't tell you to drink your rum bar. So you make them thiefy.
Like, more, I know.
You know you ain't listen to me.
Alright,
Me tell you to done your rum bar, you know.
Right now, better you done it than in TV.
Hold me.
Ah, you may say.
Yeah.
I'm not bother drink the money.
No, hey!
What
Don't do that, man.
What do you?
Alright. So
I
you
want
are
no
going.
pops.
Look come on, come link you. Saying,
Man,
come on, come link.
Alright, just carry a buckle around.
I
Yeah,
know.
carry back, I will talk. Saying, but I forgot to do that business. Yes, sir.
Alright. Boy, I eat that thing.
Fool. Where you get him from?
Yo, come on, don't go try for Keisha, boy. Come here, I want to 5,000.
I know me girl Pitney.
There.
Boy, I'm glad you're forward. You say me have some little business plan me want to talk to you about, you know?
What that?
But, you know, say, the way things are going and things are move right now. We want to talk to you about a business. Because you talk all the time about hairdresser shop. So you say I go after that now. And I understand that. So, which part you plan to put it?
Mother ada ni pan this a shop.
On this shop, yeah? Oh, yes. It's not so bad, man.
Pan the side the mother ada.
But you know, I look pan.
Wow.
I look pan, you look part round there, so.
Our daddy.
You know how long you want to hold you. You make a man come here and threaten me. Say I'm going to burn down my shop. Wait for what?
Wait, daddy.
Wait for what?
Make our money go and get tomorrow.
No, I didn't know.
But me not have money now, what you gonna get it now? You know how far the money there?
I try to get to come back near. Yes, sir.
Wait there. One people.
People say yes, sir. Me a map.
What are you going to do?
There, no pops, say you.
Because you are going now, you see? I show you a living truth. You see that brother there?
Which brother?
Puppy down, man. You have to stop pride him certain way. Yo, enough things me I show you in a life, you know, take it to them because you feel like say boy, rum is the only way. Puppy down, you don't believe in nothing about bar, you know.
No, say I true though.
When you go to high school, upstairs you go, you know. You know, go to class.
True.
You understand me I say? Yo, cause right now, me I tell you say right now, you see me give back the money from them people here. I can give a thing out and I can make it start. So, cause right now, if you talk to him certain way, I just rum him a deal with.
Rum, beer rum.
So you may say now, see? Cause I'm done test me, you may give one little piece of food. You understand me I say? Just to make you know say. We really need the help right now, bro, cause you want me link up the brother and I'm gonna talk some things and so forth and you know I want to use one.
A long time popular for me. I drink too much rum, man.
Just
man love rum, you see, brother.
I'm gonna tell you.
Where you say this food there for again?
No, that I just buy a, you know, a one thing if you want to buy a one thing. It's for sure you want to go and fear or whatever the case may be. You understand me I say? I don't know much still, you know. But you know when you feel like say everything is for free. You understand? So what me want you to do now is link me up, look more so we can link up the brother there with. If we don't even burn it down, we have to threaten him. You know when a buckle touch there and he's sitting there?
What you mean, man?
So we can even just carry it down if you light it. If him say no want to give it, you know what I mean? Because boy bad me up, you know.
Me a long time want burn down at the place too, you know.
Alright, hear me I say. Just make sure you link up later, right?
Of course, me have a link you. Make sure you link me too.
Yeah man, I link you.
So money are not enough.
Eh?
So money are not enough.
Brother, a 400,000 in the money for me. So if me get me 400,000, you're alright. It's a monkey money towards me. I just because me just say, alright, just hold a little thing just in case you want to buy a little lunch or something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So look how we talk then. Yes sir? Alright. You're a serious business, you know?
Me know man a serious money too.
So look how we business. Here?
Money, oh. Be a money this, you know. 1 money, 2 money, 3 money, 4 money this. Rich. Call my friend Puppy than you know. Rum bar about Bundon. Bundon place you must be mad. Call him cause we rich. We rich. 4 money. We're rich. What people answer, you know. We're rich. 4 money, man. What we are gonna do with so much money? Yo! Rum truck.
Why pray now?
Me there, how are you there?
I don't have Susie bar, me there. I go on.
Susie bar. Forward, brother. You have 4 money forward.
4 money?
4 money forward. We are gonna drink rum. Hurry up, hurry up.
Get 4 rum?
4 money. Which 4 rum? 4 big money. Forward.
Yeah, so we are going to get rum.
Yeah, then how we forget. Forward, brother.
Which bar ready? No, Keisha.
Yeah, brother. Forward, no, brother. Hurry up, no, brother.
I me have a phone.
Alright. Bitch. If you have me roommate friend, them no easy, you know. Walk bun down the shop. And give me 4 money. But if I rub this guy by still, you know.
Someone stay man a dog.
You tell them, man. They might get too much for me right now.
Girl, let's say me come off of the road certain way, you know, cause you see me now. Me can't bother with the up and down your son. So that's why me find one little one now. What me a try to circle along with, but girl, the boy controlling.
You better in controlling than him a fling.
No girl, him too toxic. Me can't manage it. That
No,
boy
we
kill
are
me.
not. It better in toxic than him a fling hood all about the place.
But the way me I say him can't meet anybody else. Me but say me a street girl just like you.
That too. I true that too.
But anyway, good do.
Yeah, because there. You know what? I get
Girl,
ready
what
for
on
boys
there?
street.
See Marika, you call me. Hello.
Hello.
So what go on, Marika? What now?
Girl, where you there?
Yeah, if I call me and I ask me, say, girl, where you there? You see me and I say, you want to come down me yard. How what happened there me yard? You ever see me go nowhere and I see me come off the road?
Girl, my father called me and checked
Your
me.
father again?
Yes. He called me and said, if you come up here, he want to talk to me about my college life.
You see, you know, say you not learn, Marika. Me not tell us if you leave school alone.
Not because I don't tell me leave school alone, Sean. Remember, somebody in your family have to come out to something, you know. All of it can't done.
So anyways, I go to your father?
Yeah, I go to him and the man grab me and give me some lick.
Here, so what you don't know?
Right now, man tie me up in the house.
What are you doing? What are that saying to me?
You can't come for me.
Me fi come for you.
Yeah, come for me.
When me I go take come for you?
Take taxi. Me direct you. Me tell her where you have me.
So what? So hold on there. Last time I left you with the money. Where money there? Tell me say you have the money with you. I'm come now. Send me a location.
Me not have the money with me.
So when me I go come for you for?
What you mean when you go come for me fashion?
Well, I'm America. Hello, you have to go give me some time. You have to go on.
Me done there to half my conversation when you not just any.
Girl, me say.
Alright, I'm out of here.
How that?
One man that she know for love people busy before she go sell her fruit.
Where the material?
They don't know that me do. Anyways. The money now. Where money there if you not have the money for you?
Me left the money down the girl. What
What?
you mean?
You left your money where? Which part?
No worry about
No girl, just like how me run man out of me yard a while ago, so me can't turn me back and somebody go in my house. You know this house I run already. Hello, look here. Don't ramp with me. Tell me where the money there, and then me can come for you.
But you have to come for me first, so me tell you.
We not go work so today. I know today that not work today. Tell me where money there. You been a go around me with that money. And you tell me say you left me in a film house. Where money there?
The money under the bed on the right side. Yeah.
So if me go look now, me will see money on the right side of the bed.
Yeah, girl, you go see money. Do that and hurry
Say, anyhow, the money no did it when me go in there, go look, yeah, we know about him. I go look for this money right now. More money.
You don't know what going on?
Oh, God.
As he left me, I have to call her, brother.
Pop say that. That's
Yeah.
why them have to take in money.
I don't know that.
Pops now no
Bun
sense.
shop. You must be mad. Bun shop and me can bun down 2 back around me and you.
Me and Pops normally go a Susie bar. And some girl that dance round it. So them a take Pops money. Easy. So them a take Pops. So them a take Pops money. Pops stop ground it.
Pops, want me bun down shop with 4 money? How me for bun down shop when I can't get with 4 rum?
And I with there look bored.
Bombardos. Pops not easy. Bun down shop. Me have to call her, say, damn, drink 2. Cheers. Bro, nice. Now listen to nobody now. But you want no worst thing too. But me fit up follow you.
When is it so?
Say damn when me call you.
Then that's why we have a drink out the money when give you.
And more money me want. Can drink more rum. Rum nice. It's nice and true.
What you mean? Hey, all in me asleep, my rum cup of tea in my hand.
Taste it again. Rum nice boy. Oh, say rum no nice.
Pops. Your Pops is so. You must be a eat that. When I come, I feel me like a eat that girl. Like that. Eh? He fell front.
Fell front.
Yeah. See my family.
So you make me done the money?
No, we can't trust my name big like that. We can't trust.
You sure?
We can't trust my name big like that.
Name big?
Mm.
Alright, that's how big your name
Come
is.
in. Like some man start spending their money and now you look up today. Any business? I could hear me there start chat to after you.
You should know me by now. Me not do business them a time me a day, yeah. A matter of fact. And my breakfast me about to go look out.
Breakfast? Which part of you want breakfast?
Me a go shop.
Go
Go buy my egg and my franks.
What do
I can't make you eat lobster in the morning. I can't make you eat lobster in the morning. The money in your so. Me and my friend have money. The money in your so.
Full of with 10 cents.
You know how you look on the road at the time?
Oh.
I'm saying. I have a 10 cents. I know me no see it. If me see it, I know.
I lie. If you tell me, I always support her
he
business.
never have money yet. He ever trust and can't pay.
Your name not big, me dog.
Easy.
No making food here. He broke.
Your name big.
I can't
Big
check you
weird.
later. Yeah.
You ever see one Rasta man and he tall?
Pops.
Him same one. And him have the money.
So, film name not big.
No.
Side eye.
Anyways, me I can't go about my business. Cause right now me hungry. Me have to go. Me have to go look about something to eat so me can go work. Alright. But you can't check my back later.
Don't worry yourself.
And make sure you have your money.
Don't worry
work
yourself.
for free.
Don't worry yourself. Go on where you go.
Right.
I will surely go up a Susie bar go get some other woman. You mash up like in a Groveland Lane. Go ahead, girl.
But you want the front door.
So, big man.
Hmm?
You tell me say your name big.
No man, I talk him a talk man.
Talk you
I
what
joke
talk?
him around. I joke
Talk.
him around.
Come like me have to go top part and part pops.
Come on, we'll get one more special.
Come on, we go get one more special. Me not get no more special with them. I'm done with that restaurant today. If your name not big.
I bet me go tell Pops you drink out your money. Come on, we'll go get one more special.
So we are going to do what?
Hey.
Say, girl, I'm glad I answer phone.
Why your friend?
Girl, me and your friendship can't just
Why
done
your
so.
friend?
Me and your friend.
Why your friend?
Me and your pinky are friend. Me and your...
Come like a liquid.
Look how far we are come from and we are doing road much here.
Cynthia.
I'm best at sitting there.
If you run me out of your house, you girl come and write us about my friend. My friend. Don't come down here and touch me. And if you talk all the grounds, brother. Because you're sell out, girl.
Me a sell out. I that me come to talk to you about. Sometimes you have to check your crowd. I check me crowd for money for me and your brother. You know, say me have money on me hand.
I lie to you.
Yeah, idiot. You say you don't know for all meds.
I lie to you.
Me did have to act like me and put your charge.
No, say you do things, brother. Because I feel it to my heart. And I say you do things.
Yeah, go feel it, brother, but a reality thing, bro. So what you say? If somebody again.
Yo, look out for that, no man. Me a friend for a long time. Not true.
Then
here's your friend. Where is your money there?
Say money there on me, yeah.
Come back, yeah. Yes, you could go feel. No, hold on there. I know Gigi, hold on there. I don't trust you. Listen, hold on. Listen, you come too close up to me, I know, you know. I
don't want to come here, brother. You want the people know say me have money on me and come kill me.
Listen now.
I know one way. I may have some dirty neighbor over there already.
That's a fear your neighbor them business. And you kill off the whole of them if you ramp with that money there. What me I say?
So like you will kill me feet
what
too.
What me I say? No, so me not kill her, but what me I say?
I me put you out.
What me I say? So where that girl live now?
Father, time up have him a warm. But
I like.
Here now, Shan, why you come for me? Me say, yeah man,
Suit him. You see?
Both him, me put you.
What goes around comes around. Suit him.
Both him. Yeah, Shan, come for me before the tie me up, and then.
You should put him in some hands, miss.
Me say, me and you go spend the money. One bag of money in a girl. Me say, only one man that bullshit.
Yeah man, me so complete.
No, you man. You can't buy a bag of cigarette right now.
No, you can't buy a bag of cigarette. You can't chat too much, you know, and the people that
your man then can't hear you.
Yeah man, bartender.
Me say, only one man that bull.
Take anything I want, bartender. Anything I want.
Only one man that bull. He come from me right now. Listen to me. I tell you girl, say I have to go turn in the house.
That's Amanda.
Love.
Amanda will kill people business go and come.
Get.
Newspaper.
Hey girl, you say me have to cough and me see person say, hey girl, lift up.
Out of that.
Money sweet, you know, brother. Come.
Yeah,
We are going to look about the money.
Watch you know.
Right, me a look about.
You can know. You see me?
Nobody go on next year want to get serious.
Me say if you see me.
No, me not see you. You see me?
No, me not see you.
Not see you. You have to go watch me back there. Watch me back.
Nah, get the nigga them to beef bar. What? How I go on? Nah, get him on them.
Yeah, so me call her back.
Yo, when I get a message up, shout me, you hear? Come here, try to shout it from even, bro.
Right.
I'm going to give you the money already and say forward and I'm going to do that something there. But you make it sound like. Yeah. Alright. You are going.
Yo, what go on there? And that you ask me, or me if I ask you? Yo, what go on there?
Alright, listen to me. I know when you...
Hold on, man, before you start, what me did you go say? What me did you go say?
Me know when you...
Can look at the cup like I can't read mine, you know? So tell me what did you say?
The reason I forward for to come show you what I'm going because I want if you understand, say, certain things don't work out the way I plan. And you can't blame me.
Yo, what me I say now? A 1 solid week now. And I no see you make no move. I no see you get no black, no nothing, no equipment, no nothing. I no see you move to nothing.
Yeah.
So what go on? What go on?
Boy, I me explain myself and talk. Yeah, me talk.
Virgin, Pops, remember say me and you did done reason already about this and I mean no. See how this go happen, you know? Pops, I say me no, see how this go happen. Look how me beg you.
Beg me say what?
Eh?
Yeah, you hear me I say or not?
Talk.
I rob me basically.
Oh yeah. Oh, Sagan. Hey, look here, man. Hey. Me nah help you again. Remember from today, say, this a boy ya. Me nah help you again.
Man, now listen to me now. The man just
What
a
do you mean
talk.
about rob you? Who rob you?
Alright, see you ready for listen now?
Me a hear you, man, but me know say, me coulda tell some this a story ya.
Man, now listen to me to beef, but I mean understand
But
how I
me
really
need to
go on.
listen to you, brother.
Alright, hear me
No.
I say now.
What you say?
Me go check the brother for drop off the money go give brother. See?
Yeah.
And the man never did it.
Never did it, yeah.
So me give him data to give me money. Him data run off with the money.
And
Oh, you really don't believe me, not true? You feel say a joke, me a joke?
Story like
You see, me feel say because you never believe me from the first go, you know. You don't believe nothing me I come with.
Listen to me, man. You see the same tree where you hide back and me plant it. Remember you my little brother. The same tree where you hide behind and me plant it. So all them like a foolish little excuse ya. Me say me they know, cause hey, look at the man. Me say me day in my bed last night and me could have predicted that this happen. From the day me give him money, me know that this happen. Where woman there? Where? You sure no woman rob you?
Nobody ask about
No,
she.
where woman there?
Nobody ask about she. She have a different story.
She have a different story.
Listen, you have a reason with that. Yo,
You just not learning.
no, that me I try to show you. So I try one part, but in and out way there. And right now, I can't ask a favor. Defend me in what me I try to
Me
do.
nah defend, yeah, my brother, but me nah defend the man.
And that me I talk about me say, me in one situation now where it's like, me not say to myself, so boy, me not call my brother and ask me for just follow me go, even butt up the man and get back my money. See? But me can't depend upon you, and it's like say, you know, sister, me I try to do a thing, and me I try to take myself out of one situation. But you don't see it anyway there. You see it on one part where, you know, me I failed before, and see ask about the woman. Listen to me I say about the woman there. Me try with her too, you know, but it just not work. Sometimes you try to find a woman where you want them to see your building process. But they want it to just happen.
Hey, right now all what you say to me just go through. Yes, sir.
Me know, man, me know.
Because you wanna, me nah get myself in no problem for you. Because you wanna.
My brother, my blood brother.
No, watch me now. Me know, so me know it's different, you know. But me I got defend you when me know say me need to defend you. Pops, a story you give me.
Alright, tell me something. What making I
story you give me.
Hear me, man. What making I first place is you when you say me for just forget about a girl. You and she were involved?
Involved. What kind of fool
me ask you a question. You and she were involved before?
Hey.
Me never hear you say something.
You me ignorant. Hey, listen me say. Don't ask me them foolish. What you mean say? Me know how you turn already, brother. And me know say the type of woman where you have when me give you the money, and them are gonna rob you. And me I tell you right now, she rob you. No man no rob you. She rob you.
No, when the feel that she rob me, she will vex because she want me spend most of my money, and I tell her, I'm not spending money, I invest the money. No, when that happen, I'm going back and reason with her, she has said to me, say, boy, me should have went nyam out some of my money.
Yeah, you may tell her.
But, yo, I don't want
to... From the look on the woman there, on tattoo up. You didn't know, say, me run one like a research on her.
What do you mean, you run a research?
You can't stay there, man. We don't know bigger than you know. Remember, 7 days in the street, you know.
So what kind of research are you?
No worry yourself, man.
What do you say about her?
Me say, no worry yourself. You're one big man. You spray the bed, you shall lay down tonight because you're not take telling.
Hard years. So you blame me if you want to try the partner, not true?
You know about me? Nah, working money, you know. You take care of that shit.
Me I give back your money, you know. Me I find a way to give back your money. That me I tell you.
Give back money, man.
Because, you know, come from a good place. From day one.
Yeah, man, give me back my money, man. Why my money and give me back, man? Because right now, we waste time and give no money.
Everything good, man. Everything good.
Yeah, I said, man, you see right now. Give me back my money, man. You better make care go give some poor people down so they need it. Don't I infirm it down so I go buy some food and whatever.
So you feel like the necessity, what me ask you for, based on that, you feel say I want good grounds.
A great grounds, Pops. But me know say you. Now I gonna make it happen. Because you not change.
What do you mean not change? What you talk about? What kind of change you talk about?
You not change.
You say you don't...
Me mind. A thief, with mother money. We depend on this level there. So it means to say if me if thief it, me no want to continue. I feel. A one-time thief business me depend. I me feel lend you money now to give you a start. Every day you check me. Eh? So me give you money to start your life now. Me give you already how you feel. And me give you again. What you want me to do? Give you again? You're a madman.
Me not say if you give me again. I try to show you vibes. It's a forward and show you vibes.
You know what me you want you do? Eh? Go find my money can come. Me not about to give you money. Me don't talk.
Come here, can waste my time. Come
yeah,
here,
man.
Well, everything good still. Everything good. Just remember something what you say. Just show your vibes coming on. You go check me.
Yeah, me so call her, cause but they send them a hurry. They ask you to forward, so you will get the one there. Yeah, man. Yeah, waste of time, man. Leave my tarry us with them. A business me I do. You alright, man?
I know your brother can't call back yet. Everything good, man.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
Did you ever stop to notice I like green and you like blue? Like the stroll, silver walk with you.
Even though we're together, we're totally different persons. I'm walking away from things we always do. Now we need a change for us, that's true. You stand up for me, I'll stand up for you, so we can find a way to make it through. Boy, so many things I wanna do, so many things I wanna share, so many things I'm feeling, but you're turning me away. You captured more the first time I saw you. Now it's all gone. I'm walking away from things we always do. Now we need a change for us, that's true. You stand up for me, I'll stand up for you, so we can find a way to make it through.
I'm sorry I've searched your phone so many times, told you so many lies, calling names that made you cry. So now, baby, I can't see